Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to be in this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you're in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. And thank you to everyone that has come for yet another video. Without wasting any more time, let's just dive into today's video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website right here called Market Agent. This is how their homepage looks like. So here where it says give answers, it is for companies, people that are looking for customer opinions, and this side where it says ask questions, it is for me and you people that are looking to make money with this website. So here it says survey participants can help shape products and earn money in the process. It further says take part in online surveys, earn money with each online survey, recruit friends and get a commission. So for you to get started, you come here to where it says register, click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. This is where you're going to start with the registration process. You can either register with your Apple ID, your Google account, or your Facebook account. You can also register manually by choosing your gender, whether male or female. You can enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your password. So when it comes to your password, there is a password complexity. They require you to have a minimum of 8 characters. Password cannot be an email address. Your password must contain at least 2 of the following character set, letters, digits, and also special characters. After completing your password, you can come here and select your country of residence. This website is available worldwide. You can also enter in your date of birth, the month, the date, and also the year. Agree to their terms and condition and click register. After you have clicked register, you're going to receive an email so that you can verify. After verifying your email, it will automatically activate your account. So it is important for you to verify your email. So I'm going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you have logged in. After logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is their dashboard. As you can see, I currently have 86 points, and yes, this platform pays in points, which I'm not really happy about. I'm not really into platforms that pays in points because you don't know how much your time is worth. They always have surveys, but it doesn't mean that you will qualify for every survey. So it is important to come and see if you qualify for the different surveys that they have. So we're going to come here to where it says account statement. So here I'm going to show you guys how your points are going to be um, allocated. So here there are points that are going to take time before they get approved. As you can see, I've got points that are still waiting approval, and I've got points that have already been approved. And as you can see, I had a PayPal exchange. I withdrew 1,000 points, which I'm going to show you at a later stage. So for you to cash out, you come here to where it says exchange area. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. This is where you can cash out after reaching the minimum cash out point. So you can either cash out using Skrill or PayPal, or you can donate to the different charity organizations, right? So I'm going to come to PayPal because that is what I used to cash out. And this is the minimum threshold for you to cash out. You can cash out from as little as 8,000 points. Before you cash out, you need to enter in the email address that is connected to your PayPal address, right, to your PayPal account, and then you can then proceed into cashing out. So here, this is 1,000 points. 1,000 points is equivalent to 203 rand point 33 cents. This is for South African rands. If you are in different countries, they're going to show you the currency of your country, right? So if you come to 2,500 points, 2,500 points is equivalent to 508.32 cents. And then when you go to 5,000 points, 5,000 points is equals to 1,016 rands point 64 rand, right? 0.64 cents, right? And then you're going to click transfer after you have met the minimum cash out point. After cashing out, you're going to wait up to 3 days before you can receive your payment. If you want the link for this website, you can get it down on the description box. Now we're going to go to the payment proof, but before doing so, if you find value in this video, kindly give it a like so that it can reach more people that are looking to make money online. And if you've got any questions, kindly leave the comment down in the comment section. So for the payment proof, I'm going to come to my email address and I'm going to type in market agent PayPal. So this is the payment proof for market agent. I received the payment on the 31st of October 2023 and I received 10 euros into my PayPal account. So I'm going to leave every link down on the description box